This question is from the SAT. If ax plus 2 times bx plus 3 equals 14x squared plus cx plus 6 for all values of x and a plus b equals 9, what are the two possible values for c? And it's got possible values of 2 and 7, 4 and 14, 6 and 21, 20 and 25. This is called, it still appears on the digital SAT. It was popular on the SAT, the paper one. It's called equivalent expressions or polynomial equivalence. So first thing first is I'm going to FOIL this. That's what I do when I have two binomials. I FOIL them. First times first, ax times bx is ab x squared. And then outside times outside, ax times 3 is 3ax. And then inside times inside, 2 times bx is plus 2bx. And then last times last, 2 times 3 is 6. Now notice, here's a 6, here's a 6. They match. And that's just a reminder that this is polynomial equivalence. Whatever's in front of x squared has to equal 14. So a times b equals 14. And then when is that, whatever's in front of just the x has to equal c. So 3a plus 2b equals c. And then the question gives another relationship. A plus b equals 9. I'll write that one up here. A plus b equals 9. So I'm going to use these two equations. You can either probably figure it out yourself. What are two numbers that multiply to 14 and add to 9? Well, 7 and 2. If a is 7, b is 2, 7 times 2 is 14, 7 plus 2 is 9. If a is 2, b is 7. 2 times 7 is 14, 7 plus 2 is 9. But I could also just use these two simultaneous equation and do b equals a minus, or 9 minus a, and then plug that into the second equation, a times 9 minus a, that's a times b, equals 14. And then I'll multiply it, 9a minus a squared equals 14. Then I'll add a squared to both sides, subtract 9a from both sides, 0, equals a squared minus 9a plus 14. I want two numbers that multiply to 14 and add to minus 9. It's minus 7 and minus 2. So it's a minus 7 times a minus 2 equals 0. And if I solve those two, a minus 7 equals 0, a equals 7. A minus 2 equals 0, a equals 2. So there's a is 7, or a is 2. If a is 7, a times b has to equal 14, so 7 times 2 is 14. If a is 2, and it has to multiply by b to be 14, 2 times 7 equals 14. So we've got a and b. And I can plug them into here to see what c could be. C is 3a, 3 times 7, plus 2 times 2, which is equal to 21 plus 4 is 25. Which one has 25? Only D does, so D must be the answer. And then this is 3 times 2, 3 times A, plus 2 times B, 2 times 7, equals 6 plus 14 is 20. And that again verifies that the answer is D. So those are two possible values for C using polynomial equivalence, and you will see this quite often on the test.